parents, teacher Auni here. Today we're going to learn a new skill. We're going to learn how to write the cv+cc word. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Alright, let's get started. Alright parents, so to write the words, you need to first prepare a set of words. So here I prepared 4 sets of cv+cc word. Consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. And then we can ask them, can you see the first word? Yes, jump. J, e, p. Let's write the words. Let's write it together. Good. J, e, p. Jump. Good. Yes, everyone. To learn how to write these 4 words. Alright. Can you see the second word here? Yes, ball. B, a, w, l. Ball. Can you write it down? Great! Here you go, your first reward. Now, can you do it with a verbal cue? Can you write the word duck? D, e, ch, k. Duck. Great! Here's your third reward. Okay, the last one is pink. P, e, n, k. Pink. Nice one!